guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's great to have you along. Right guys, see you after that intro. So guys, welcome back. What are we doing today? Well, today we've come up to the Yonderman Cafe. We've met up with Fasty, and we've also met up with Crazy Legs, who's right behind me, and we've also got Fasty's friend who's come along. So we met up at the Yonderman's Cafe this morning, had a beautiful breakfast. We did all the introductions as it's the first time that we've actually met. Obviously we spoke across all the socials and commented on each other's videos, but today it was really nice to finally meet the pair of them. And now we're just going out for a little ride of what was meant to be a nice clear day. But we're in England, and of course it's overcast, foggy and wet. So today, just got to be a little bit careful today and try and not push the bike as much as what I'd normally. Not that I would rag my bike, or you know, I'm no Valentino Rossi or that, but I've got a brand new back tyre on. The weather, the road conditions are not amazing, so yeah, today is just a nice steady little ride, just to try and scrub the tyre in a little bit.
That sounds beautiful.
Does it?
Yeah. Very dramatic. Yeah. He just said, I think he thinks I want it back.
So for all of you who don't actually know, the bike that I'm sat on, the Africa Twin, used to be in the possession of Crazy Legs, and I'm so glad he sold the bike. Sorry mate, but yeah, I'm glad you sold the bike to me. Well, you sold the bike to the place that I brought the bike from, and if you'd never done that, we'd never have met, most probably. So everything happens for a reason. Oh, beautiful little weir. To meet up. The weather was meant to be nice and clear, but obviously British weather being British weather, but we still said yeah, we're happy to go ahead. And I know that the guys use Cardo packed up molds, and I know a lot of other people use that intercom system. Now me and Kay have used Senna for the past 4 or 5 years, and we've never had an issue with them. You know, I love my Senna, I love the intercom. It does exactly what it said it was what it was brought to do, if that makes sense, you know. I brought it for a purpose and I brought it for a reason, and it has fulfilled that reason, and that was so me and Kay could talk together on the bike. And especially when Kay had her 125, it was so I could communicate with her as well. So after doing a lot of research and then realising everyone else is using Cardo, me and Kay decided to buy the Pat Talk Bolds yesterday, knowing full well that we were coming up here today to meet these guys. And we also decided that we wanted to go for a few drinks. Being child free, it's not very often that we get to go to the pub.
Have you been up here before?
Yeah, Snake Pass. Yeah. How far up you get? You're going all the way up and over?
The full length.
So I said to Kay, I said, yeah, I don't mind going for a few drinks. Good to just spend us time together. But I did say we do need to get home, still have some dinner, and I need to sort out the intercom systems. And we both agreed that's fine, yeah. So we went down the pub about 4 or 5 o'clock-ish. Yeah, we didn't get back in till I can't remember, and I can't remember going to bed, and I can't remember eating my dinner, and I didn't fit the intercom systems. So we've come up here today. Me and Kay can obviously still talk to each other, but I've got these brand new intercom systems that are just sat on the kitchen side now waiting for me to get them fitted. So guys, we have Crazy Legs on the bike. Howdy. And we also have Fasty Rides over here.
Alright. You alright on that road?
Yeah, I caught up to you.
Yeah, I knew you called. It was more about trying to be smooth on there than,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Fog were coming in and all that lot. But there's a better road coming up in a bit. It's more up and down.
Is that the one that goes all the way up and then comes back down?
Yeah, but you've got about 3 of them.
Yeah.
So we've got one where we go right up a mountain, which
Yeah.
is foggy as hell, but it's quite high up. And then we go over another way, and then the road, my favourite road, which is called Mortimer Road. We're going to stop at a pub on the way.
Okay.
But that road is like up and down and windy, and it's really fun.
So. It's the mini crew. Hiya! Oh, you bastard! Look at that! Look at the sun just hitting that bit there.
Yeah.
Right, guys, that's the end of this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Me and Kay, we've had a great day out. So, get everyone to say goodbye. Fasty, pleasure meeting you, mate.
Laters, dude.
See you later.
It was in there somewhere, so they kept
Crazy.
it off.
See you, buddy.
Great to meet you.
This guy's a ledge.
He's not. He's not. It's not a ledge.
That's a bit harsh.
And you, mate. All right, meeting you. Yeah?
Take care.
And you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Yeah, let us know when you get home, won't you? That you're home safe and everything.
Yeah.
Yes, Dad.
Give us-
Yes, Dad.
3 rings.
3 rings, yeah.
Right, guys.
You won't pick up
Take it easy. Hope to see you out there.